Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to track your investment portfolio on Bright. Keeping an eye on your investment is key to smart financial growth. Here's how you can easily track your investment portfolio using the Bright app. Start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account. Once you're in, tap on the Invest tab located at the bottom of your screen. This brings you to your investment dashboard. Here you're going to see a snapshot of your total portfolio values as well as your current balance, investment amounts, and overall gains or losses. Swipe up or tap into your portfolios for more details. Bright breaks it down by asset types such as stocks, ETFs, or crypto, and it shows you how each investment is performing. Tap on any specific assets to view price trends, allocation percentage, and individual returns. You can also filter by time range like daily, monthly, or yearly performance to see how your portfolio evolves over time. Scroll down to find your recent transactions, which includes, of course, the deposits, dividends, and buy-sell activities. And if you're using Auto Invest, you can view upcoming scheduled investments right here as well. And that's it. Tracking your investment is now just a few taps away with Bright. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tips and guides. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.